Did you know that if you stay awake for just 24 hours, your brain begins to malfunction like a drunk person's? Most people think sleep is simply resting. But what if I told you that sleep is actually your brain night shift cleaning crew? By the end of this video, you'll see why sleep isn't optional. It's biological maintenance for your mind. Welcome to Mind-Blown 10-Minute Curiosity, where we turn everyday questions into extraordinary answers. I'm your host, Venant, and today we're going deep into your dreams, or rather, why you need them. If you love learning fascinating science in under 10 minutes, hit subscribe and let's get started. Here's the question. If sleep is just doing nothing, why does your body treat it like a matter of life and death? Scientists have studied sleep for decades, and what they discovered is mind-blowing. Sleep isn't about shutting down. It's when your brain wakes up internally to do the most important work of all: memory storage, emotional balance, toxin removal, and neural repair. But to understand this hidden system, we need to peek inside the nightlife of your brain. When you drift off, your brain doesn't go quiet. It enters a complex symphony of waves, from slow delta rhythms to rapid REM bursts. During deep sleep, your body repairs muscles, balances hormones, and restores your immune system. Then during REM sleep, when dreams happen, your brain replays experiences, consolidating memories and emotions like saving files to a mental hard drive. Each night, this process literally rewires you for the next day. Skip sleep, and your brain can't form solid memories. In fact, after 20 hours without sleep, your reaction time is slower than someone over the legal alcohol limit. Wow, right? Sleep isn't rest, it's performance fuel. Now here's where it gets fascinating. In 2012, neuroscientists discovered something they didn't even know existed: the glymphatic system, a waste clearance network that only turns on while you sleep. Think of it as your brain's plumbing system. While you're awake, brain cells work hard and produce toxic byproducts like beta amyloid, the same substance linked to Alzheimer's disease. When you fall asleep, your brain cells shrink by about 60%, opening channels for cerebrospinal fluid to flush out waste, like a night janitor sweeping your neural floors. So if you skip sleep, you're not just tired, your brain is literally clogged with garbage. What? Exactly. Sleep is how your brain cleans itself. Every time you sleep, you're strengthening your memory, sharpening your focus, regulating your emotions, and recharging your immune system. Studies show that even one night of poor sleep increases irritability and reduces empathy. Meanwhile, consistent quality sleep boosts creativity, problem-solving, and learning capacity. That's why top performers, from athletes to CEOs, guard their sleep schedules like gold. Because without sleep, your mind becomes your worst enemy. We've all heard people brag, "I only need 4 hours of sleep." But here is the truth. Fewer than 1% of people have the rare genetic mutation that allows it. For the rest of us, chronic sleep deprivation shortens lifespan, raises risk of heart disease, obesity, and dementia, and literally shrinks parts of the brain responsible for memory and decision-making. So maybe the real superpower isn't sleeping less, it's sleeping smart. So to wrap up, sleep isn't rest, it's repair. Each night, your brain takes out the trash, rewires your mind, and resets your body. Next time you're tempted to stay up just 1 more hour, remember, that's like skipping your brain's nightly tune-up. Learning something new changes how we see everything, and that's what Mind-Blown is all about. If this blew your mind, give it a thumbs up. It helps more curious minds discover us. Comment below, how many hours of sleep do you usually get, and how does it affect your day? And don't forget to subscribe for more 10-minute brain fuel every week, right here on Mind-Blown 10-Minute Curiosity. You just learned why sleep is brain maintenance. Now go blow someone else's mind, share this video and spread the curiosity.